It's a monster. And the monster's got to eat. This has been the worst fire season ever recorded in California's history. The whole town's literally burned to the ground.
There's a possibility we'll never fully know how many people are dead.
I haven't dreamt since it happened. But when I close my eyes, I see the fire coming up the trees, crowning on the trees, and the morning that it happened, it's me, my husband, my 14-year-old daughter, my 22-year-old daughter, and my 2.5-year-old granddaughter. We left, we were almost empty, both of our cars. We were driving through so much smoke you couldn't even see in front of your hand. It was coming into the cars. We didn't have gas masks neither at that time. Nothing. Everybody panicking, and you can't imagine how much different types of panic there are with each person. It's so devastating to see what's been your home and your community gone. It still feels like we're dreaming, we're all in a daze. We're forgetting like our memories. We're forgetting our good memories from before. We only remember from the day of the fire on, it seems like. Every time we close our eyes, we're seeing the fire. We're smelling the smoke. All of these people went through this horror. There's a lot of post-traumatic stress going to be happening from this.
I love this community. I'm the 6th generation here. We left when they told us, but then the flames are gone, so we came back because of our animals. I can't leave them. This is what I live for. This is what I do. All right, hi, come here. I have special treats. You're a good kid. Huh, you're my good girl. Okay. This is Kevin Bacon. Kevin Bacon is a very good boy. He's my boar. But he's stressed out. I can tell that the fires have really taken their tolls on everybody. In the past 3 years, we've evacuated because of the Oroville Dam. We've had a fire here, and then this campfire. It's exhausting. This one's just like nothing we've ever seen. And there's whole communities gone. And these are my friends, these are my family, these are my peers. These aren't nameless people to us. This is us.
Come here. Sneaking off on me. Come on, come on.
Well, have you ever seen that movie, The Perfect Storm? Well, this is that movie. We don't know when they're going to let us back in.
Many of you have reached out to Action News Now wanting to know the status of your home or neighborhood. Is it still standing?
I don't know if our house made it or not. One guy got driving through the plains on a Harley. I thought I saw it all.
You can find a link
I was
to
wrong.
donate on the homepage of our website at Action News.
Dish TV makes a great bird bath. And poor little guys are all black and gross.
I've lost everything too many times. I'd have rather died than lose it again. This is my mother, Norma. Here you go. And Mom said she wasn't leaving no matter what. Want me to make you some more watermelon up?
That might be good.
That's Pepper. She likes the salt on her watermelon.
That's all.
Here, go on.
Honey,
Yeah, Mama?
how long did you get to live here?
Yeah, not quite a year. Right about a year.
Okay.
This is my dream home. I built it for my wife. Her angel was definitely standing right next to me fighting the fire. I had a chance to stand here and fight it. Thank God the two of us together had enough strength and spine to make it happen. If I didn't have this guy, I would not have a home. We used the Doughboy swimming pool and 5-gallon bucket, did a bucket brigade, and him and I fought the fire for 24 hours about all together. This is my little utopia. There we go. It's just my part of paradise. And I really don't want to leave. Now, picture this on a spring day with ice cold beer in your hand. You want to leave?
I'm so glad they find him okay. So, yeah, he's doing fine.
We have just under 500 animals, horses, sheep, pigs, goats, cattle. A lot of the animals here were just let loose. Hope they survived. We've had a couple animals that our evac teams have found in pools. A lot of them have survived, and we've reunited quite a few people with their animals. Had a lady and her son come in just now that found their horse. First question he had for me besides where's my horse is, what do you guys need help with? And later on I found out they don't have anything left. I think that's incredible, and you know, just all that emotion.
I thought I'd be dead from stupidness before now. But my mom rides on my shoulder. She's my guardian angel.
Our community is going to lose a lot of really important people. It's hard to kind of fathom it, and then, you know, I'm literally breathing them in right now. I just want to be one of the people that make it better. I have a feeling I'll be picking up the pieces for the rest of my life.